Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to model a sacred geometry in Maya 2022 just like this. Our final result will be just like this one. So let's get started. Take a new scene. Go to create polygon primitives. Take a platonic solid. Turn on the grid. Subdivision mode quads. Subdivision type here 1. Radius type 4. Now go to edge selection mode. Select this edge. This edge, this one. Shift right click, click delete edge, delete all the same edge. Now all edges are deleted. Go to object mode, move your platonic solid up, go to front view, move up, again go to perspective view, go to mesh tool, select multicut tool, click one point here, one here and one here, press enter, one here and another here, press enter, one point here and one point here. Do the same for all the face. Now edge loop insertion is completed. Go to face selection mode, select this face, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this and also this. Go to select, click similar. This will select all the similar faces. Now go to edit mesh, click extrude or just click on this icon, keep face together off, offset type here 0.1 and delete the face. Now again select multicut tool and insert edge loop just like this. Do the same for all the rest faces. Now again go to face selection mode. Select this face, this one, this one, this one, this one and also this one. Again go to select, click similar. This will select all the similar faces. Now again click extrude. Keep face together off, offset type here 0.05. Press delete. This will delete the rest face. Now take a polygon plane, scale the plane, select your geometry, again click extrude, type local translate 0.1, local translate G 0.1, go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, right click, assign new material, select Lambert, change the Lambert color to this color. Select your polygon plane, right click, assign new material, select blend, change the blend color to this color. Go to create light, take a volume light, increase the size of your volume light, move the light up just here, type light intensity 150, slightly scale the light, go to Windows, rendering editor, open render view, select change Arnold to Maya software, see the effect. Now again go to create light, take an ambient light, click render and see the effect. See, in this process you can create a sacred geometry in Maya 2022 with help of Platonic Solid. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.